A tiny chick tries to cross the road, but suddenly a speeding truck hits him. The poor chick lies injured on the roadside. A white puppy rushes to help. He gently lifts the chick onto his back, uses a leaf to treat his wounds, and feeds him worms to regain strength. Days pass. The chick recovers. A month later, the puppy chases a mouse, but ends up in a swamp full of slugs. Slugs crawl all over him. He's trapped. Then, the chick, now a strong hen, sees him. She rushes to help, lifts the puppy to safety. They smile, hug, and celebrate their friendship.